Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So I just got finished cleaning the house, hoovered, washed the dishes, cleaned the cat's room, fed Melanie. Haven't fed myself yet, so I'm gonna do that later. So I'm just sitting down, relaxing, watching TV. 4 in a bed, on more 4. And Melanie's just sitting in her wheelchair, playing with all her teddy bears. She seems quite satisfied now that she's fed. She's getting a bit grumpy, so I just set her feeder. So I'm just gonna chill out now until Jess gets home. She's away to work. Hey Melanie! Hey Lou! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Would you stay here again?
Hi! Hi! Is that right?
Thank you.
Wow! That's her sitting with all her teddy bears. There's like 4 teddy bears in that seat and she managed to squeeze herself in it. I'm just hoping she doesn't fall. Melanie, you better not fall. Watch, don't fall.
Hi! I'm back from work and the TV's on. We're watching King Arthur. It seems violent. It reminds me sort of Game of Thrones. I get the Game of Thrones vibe from it. The cutest she falling asleep eating her dinner. Guys, I think our freezer's broke. It's leaking out water. I don't know if it was left open or not, or that it's just bit. And our Asda shopping still isn't here. I booked it 3 to 5. So it should be here within the next 15 minutes. If not, I don't really know why they'd be late. But I'm gonna try and make something for dinner. I'm really hungry now. I don't know what to make. There's not much in the freezer because we're waiting on our shopping there. But I need to make something because Manny's going at 5:30 I think. Because he's working. So I'll have a wee look and let you know anyway what I'm making. Hi guys! Right, so I'm kind of really annoyed. I put me and Manny's pizza on, but he had to leave. So I never even got to eat the pizza. Still sitting in the oven. I ate undercooked pizzas because I had to remove mine so his could go on the top so it would be cooked quicker. So I took out my pizza. It was cooked like, but it wasn't like all crispy. So he wanted his crispy, so I said his on the top shelf. He's like, no, I'm away now. And there's me sitting eating the underdone pizza for him. He's probably starving. Feel very bad. I shouldn't feel bad, like it's not my fault.
Coming up, the challenge.
Our oven cooks so slow.
I wanted to know whispering to Amber, Chris.
It's meant to be 10 minutes, like. So I'm just sitting watching Love Island now. I'm gonna relax. Melanie's sitting on her wee trike because you saw. She loves it. Loving the wee trike. And I'll probably get out a wee walk again. Because that weather is just beautiful. What do you see? So as you can see, it's an absolutely glorious day. It's like 25 degrees. My granny rang me there. She wants to meet up with me on Monday or Tuesday. I'm gonna let her know on Sunday. Hi! Hi! Zero! Your nail! Your nail! Ah! Hey guys, Melanie fell asleep eating her supper there. I gave her some Weetabix. So I just lifted her out and put her in bed, which is handy. I'm gonna feed the birds. I bought this to Manny because his mommy buys this stuff called farine, but I couldn't find it anywhere. And I looked on Asda and this looks similar, but Nanny said it's not. So, just gonna give it out to the birds, may as well, rather than go and do it. So as you can see, I threw out a lot. 1.1 albs, 500 grams of, what are they? Mung dal. They're, what are they? They're pulses, and they're high in fibre, and they're used extensively in Asian cooking. Yeah. So I'm glad I gave them out to the bird because Nanny says he was one to try it. Because the stuff his mummy gets is from cassava, and he said it's completely like completely different. So I'll try and look for it again.
465 is, yeah, it's just too long.
So I'm just getting ready for Love Island. I'm gonna go watch it at 9 o'clock. Can't believe I'm actually caught up.
I also want to get this place sold right away. So this is the best.
I'm gonna turn the volume down for one.
We know how we're going to get this house a little makeover, some strategic staging.
I gave a cat some wet meat. I couldn't believe it.
Out of the laundry room, remove those shelves and make a space for the fridge in the kitchen, and we'll lay down some new flooring.
I couldn't believe it. They're pure like excited when I put the meat on. We haven't got the meat in a while.
And in the master bedroom, move the bed to the
Because we always get them dry fit.
beautiful sitting area on the hardwood floor. I think when we're all done,
So I'm gonna make a cup of tea now, guys, and I'm gonna relax because I'm sweating and I had to take 2 ibuprofen because my stomach's acting up again.
get it back on the market and
I'm so glad that I have the doctors on Thursday and Friday. Well, the nurse on Thursday and then the doctor on Friday. Because I really don't feel the best.
Michael and Jen are looking at houses in
Getting such bad cramps all the time.
We need to sell their home for at least $499,000.
So I'm gonna make this tea now, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Right, guys, as you can probably tell, I have all makeup on. I done an AliExpress review on an eyeshadow. I said I was going to do it a week ago, but I just never got the time. So I finally done it. So that'll be up my channel shortly. And Manny's back home. Remember the pizza I was talking about? Well, I gave him that there now. I heated it up in the oven. Her bottle's literally just been made. And I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'll make Manny a cup of tea as well for his pizza. For his sweet pizza. Melanie woke up, by the way. I was watching Love Island and she woke up. Hopefully there's enough here for 2 cups because I'm down for a cup. Happy days, isn't it? Right, guys, I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you enjoyed today, and if you did, give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauty!